Hello beauties, you guys know how much I love my skincare, and I remember even when I was pregnant I was very concerned about what I put on my body, what I ate, and I guess a lot of us new moms can relate to that because by nature we get this protective instinct, don't we? So when my daughter was born, I really wanted to choose products that was natural, safe and effective. Now there are a lot of such brands that are there in the market today that claim to be natural and safe, but are they as effective on your baby's delicate skin? Not necessarily. So this is where you do your research on choosing the right brand, the right product, as well as going by the ingredient list. So in this video, I want to showcase one of my favorite trusted brand, and that's the Momsco, because they make beautiful baby care products. And I want to show you some of my top picks because they've got a variety of it. So these are my best of the best. The first one, which is a complete must-have, is this natural baby massage oil, which is extremely light and delicate. This one has got almond, sesame, avocado oil, along with some powerful oils that help nourish, relax and strengthen her bones and muscles with regular massage. The next two are the natural baby shampoo and the natural baby wash. This shampoo is a tear-free formula. So it's a very safe combination of coconut-based cleansers that gently clean, while argan and moringa oil helps nourish and strengthen my little one's hair and scalp. And the baby wash is a combination of coconut-based mild cleansers that gently cleans, while avocado oil, aloe vera gel and chamomile oil soothes and nourishes and softens the baby's delicate skin. And the last top pick, which I absolutely love on my skin as well, and that is the natural baby lotion. This moisturizes and nourishes the delicate skin so well, and it has the benefits of organic apricot, organic jojoba, cocoa and shea butter and organic rice bran. It deeply nourishes my baby's delicate skin and locks in the moisture. So if you're looking out for a complete solution to the dilemma on what to choose for your baby, then do give the Momsco baby range a try, because my top picks are the best of the best and something that I absolutely love and adore and trust for my baby as well as for myself.